Hi everyone. So in this video, I would like to show you how to download and install Mendeley Desktop step by step. The first thing you need to do is to go to their website on www.mendeley.com/auto-updates/installers/1.19.5. And as you see, they have few version: Windows, Mac, Ubuntu, and Linux. Because I am currently using Windows, so I'm gonna click the one with 4 windows. And then before you download the file, you can choose location in your folder to where you're gonna save this file later, whether you want download, document, or whatever you want. For me, I'm okay if I put it in downloads, so I'm not gonna change anything, and I'm just gonna click save. Okay, after this file being downloaded, now we can start to install this file. Just double click this file. But if it doesn't show like this in your computer, you can find this file in a folder that you already choose where to save this file before, and you just double click. And after that, it's supposed to be look like this. So you just click next, and there is a license agreement. You can read this all, and if you agree, you can continue and click I agree. So same as before we download the file, they also ask us where we want to put the app that we will install later in our folder. Normally, it automatically store in local disk inside program files, but if you want to change it and save it to other folder, it's fine. Just click browse. And then if you done that, we can go to next. And then click install. And now we are waiting until installing is finished. Now, if you see like this, it means that the install is complete, and now you can use the app. If you want to use this app right away, you can checklist this one, run Mendeley Desktop, and click finish. But if you want to use the app later, you can unchecklist this and click finish. And normally the app will shown in your computer this. Okay, that's it. I hope this video is helping, and thank you.